Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi SQ5 TDI 341 PS tiptronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous glacial white, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 31,740 miles. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke star design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest, as well as the electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps you to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station to sing along to, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point, with a hidden compartment to hide those pesky wires, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with a handy cup holder for those morning coffees and the Audi phone box with wireless charging. Call today on 01782 488 205.